science has revealed something surprising. One of the most powerful ways to reduce cancer risk after 50 doesn't come from an expensive treatment or a new medication. It starts with simple daily habits that cost little or nothing. Research now shows that the choices you make every day can influence inflammation, immune function, DNA repair, and even how your cells protect themselves from becoming cancerous. And when these habits work together, the impact is far greater than most people realize. One of the largest studies ever conducted on this topic followed more than 135,000 adults for nearly 20 years. Published in JAMA Oncology in 2022 by researchers from Harvard-TH. Chan School of Public Health, it found that people who consistently followed healthy lifestyle habits lowered their overall cancer risk by as much as 61% compared to those who didn't. That's an extraordinary difference. And today, we're breaking down the 5 daily habits that made the biggest impact. Stay with me until the end, because the number 1 habit strengthens all the others. Let's begin with habit number 5. Your body replaces billions of cells every single day. During this process, Na must be copied accurately so healthy cells remain healthy. Fortunately, your body has built-in repair systems that constantly search for mistakes before they become dangerous mutations. The challenge is that after age 50, these repair systems naturally become less efficient. Scientists estimate that Na repair activity declines by roughly 30 to 40%, meaning your body becomes less effective at correcting cellular damage just as decades of wear and tear begin to add up. One major factor that speeds up this damage is a diet filled with ultra-processed foods, packaged snacks, sugary drinks, processed meats, fast food, and heavily refined products increase inflammatory compounds known as advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These compounds interfere with your body's natural repair processes. A 2023 study from Imperial College London, published in the European Journal of Nutrition, followed nearly 197,000 adults. Researchers found that people eating the highest amounts of ultra-processed foods had a 32% higher risk of colorectal cancer and a 19% higher risk of breast cancer compared to those eating mostly whole foods. Another study from the National Cancer Institute reported that high intake of ultra-processed foods was linked to a 28% increase in overall cancer mortality, even after accounting for obesity, smoking, and physical activity. That means the food itself appears to play an important role. The good news is that you don't need to completely overhaul your diet overnight. Start by replacing just one processed item at every meal. Instead of sugary cereal, choose oatmeal topped with berries. Replace packaged snack bars with fruit and a handful of nuts. Swap processed deli meat for grilled chicken, beans, or eggs. Small changes repeated every day create lasting benefits inside your body. Now let's move to habit number 4, protecting your sleep. Most people think sleep is simply about having more energy the next day. But while you're sleeping, your immune system performs one of its most important jobs, searching for and destroying abnormal cells before they have the chance to grow into something much more serious. This defense relies on specialized immune cells called natural killer cells, often known as NK cells. These cells constantly patrol your body looking for infected or cancerous cells. The problem is that NK cells depend heavily on deep sleep. During stages 3 and 4 of non-REM sleep, your body produces signaling proteins that strengthen immune activity and improve the performance of these cancer-fighting cells. As we age, deep sleep naturally declines. By age 60, many people experience nearly a 50% reduction in slow-wave sleep compared to younger adulthood. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Medicine found that just 1 week of sleeping fewer than 6 hours per night reduced natural killer cell activity by nearly 70%. Even more concerning, a review by the International Agency for Research on Cancer examined over 2 million participants and found that chronic short sleep was associated with a 40% higher risk of breast cancer, a 36% higher risk of prostate cancer, and a 55% higher risk of colorectal cancer in older adults. Improving sleep doesn't have to be complicated. One of the most effective strategies is maintaining the same wake-up time every single day, including weekends. This helps stabilize your internal clock and improves sleep quality over time. Also, reduce bright screens before bed, keep your bedroom cool and dark, and aim for at least 7 hours of quality sleep whenever possible. Better sleep strengthens your immune system and works together with healthier eating to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Habit number 3 is simple. Move your body every day. You don't need intense workouts because consistent movement is what matters most. Regular activity helps lower excess IGF-1, a hormone linked to faster cancer cell growth, while boosting the tumor-suppressing protein P53. A Journal of Clinical Oncology study found that 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly lowered colon cancer risk by 42%. Another Lancet study showed that walking for 5 minutes every hour reduced inflammation by 27%. Even a 20-minute walk after your largest meal helps control blood sugar, improve circulation, and strengthen your body's natural cancer defenses. Habit number 2 is managing chronic stress. Short-term stress is normal, but constant stress keeps cortisol levels high, increasing inflammation, weakening the immune system, and interfering with DNA repair. Researchers at Ohio State University Comprehensive Cancer Center found that chronic stress reduces the activity of immune cells that help eliminate abnormal cells. A meta-analysis from Sweden's Karolinska Institute involving nearly 500,000 people linked long-term stress to a higher risk of several cancers. The good news is that just 10 to 15 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, prayer, or time outdoors each day can lower stress and help strengthen your body's natural defenses. And now, the number 1 habit, time-restricted eating. This isn't about starving yourself or following extreme diets, it's simply limiting your meals to a consistent 10 to 12 hour eating window, such as eating between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. During the overnight fast, your body shifts from digestion to repair, activating autophagy, a natural process that clears away damaged cells and proteins. Studies also link time-restricted eating to better blood sugar control, lower inflammation, healthier cortisol levels, improved sleep, and reduced IGF-1. Combined with the other habits, it becomes one of the most powerful strategies for healthy aging. These 5 habits work best as a team. Eating whole foods supports DNA repair, quality sleep strengthens your immune system, daily movement balances important hormones, stress management reduces inflammation, and time-restricted eating activates your body's natural repair process. While no lifestyle can completely prevent cancer, strong scientific evidence shows these habits can significantly lower risk and improve health after 50. The best part is that it's never too late to start. Begin with 1 habit, stay consistent, and build from there. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which habit you'll start with first. Thanks for watching.